Alright, so I have an Android phone and I want to make my screen stay on longer. There's a few different ways we can do that, including one that's not in your settings. Let's look at the settings first. I'll go to Display, and from there scroll down to Screen Timeout. Different phones might have these under slightly different names, by the way. So this is the time your screen stays on before turning off. The problem is that mine, for example, is limited to 10 minutes, and there's no option to keep it on longer. Samsung has another setting below, and this one uses your front camera to detect your face and understand when you're actively looking at your phone. And with this toggled on, your screen will stay on. But that's not always good enough. If you want to keep your screen on longer, you can head to the Play Store and download a free app called Caffeine. This app adds a toggle to your quick settings, and you can use that toggle to keep your display permanently on, which is pretty cool. The app looks like this, and there's a handful of settings here that you can change, including whether it keeps your display on indefinitely or for a specific duration. But these are just the settings. To actually use the app, we can trigger it from the quick settings, which you'll open by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. After I install the app, the toggle doesn't automatically appear in my quick settings, so I'll go ahead and add it. First, we'll tap the pencil icon up top, and then edit the buttons. Available buttons are listed on the bottom, so I'll swipe to find the Caffeine button. Then tap Done, and we're good. Usually this will ask for permissions to change system settings before it can do its job. I'll allow the permissions here, and then we'll go back to hit that button again. Now, when I turn on Caffeine, my phone will keep the display on for as long as I want it. And when I'm done and ready to turn off the display, I can just hit the Caffeine button in my quick settings again. And that's how you make your screen stay on longer. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.